In this video we're going to cover the snipping tool. It's important to note that the snipping tool is only available on Windows Vista and up. This includes Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. Let's get started by clicking on the Start button. If you're using Windows Vista or 7, you'll go to All Programs, Accessories, and then you can click on the snipping tool under the Accessories folder. If using Windows 8, you're going to click on the Windows key on your keyboard, which is located on the bottom left of your keyboard in between Control and Alt. This will bring up the Windows tile screen, and now you can immediately type in Snipping Tool and you'll see the program come up on the left. So now you can click on the Snipping Tool program. You'll see that the Snipping Tool program comes up and makes the background of your screen gray. So next to the new window is a drop-down. I'm going to click the drop-down, and we have 4 different types of snipping that we can do. The default and most commonly used type of snip is the rectangular snip. So we're going to start with that. After we do our snippet, we're going to go over some of the options that the snipping tool provides once your snippet is done. Before the video completes, we are going to cover the freeform, window, and full screen snip as well. Let's start with the rectangular snip. To use the rectangular snip, you're going to go to the top left of what you want to capture, click and hold the left mouse button, and drag over what you would like the picture to be. Once you've dragged, you can let go of the mouse button, and a window will immediately pop up with what you have highlighted to be a snip. Once you have that, there's a couple of options that we have. We can edit it, we can copy and paste it, we can send it via email, or we can save it to our computer. Let's go over the editing button. The editing button, we can choose maybe a red pen, or a blue pen, or if we want a custom pen, we can choose the custom pen. Now once you choose the custom pen, you need to then go in again and go to Customize. And in here we can choose a color we want, the thickness of the pen, and the type of pen. Once that's done, you can use that to edit. Now I want to erase the editing that I did. So we just click on what we drew with the erase button and it will get rid of it. Another thing to point out is the highlighting option, which again will erase. Now let's go over the copy and paste part. As soon as you take a snippet, it automatically copies for you. So now if I open my email, and I haven't done Control-C or click copy anywhere, I'm just going to right click and go to paste, and as you can see it puts in the picture that we took a snippet of without having to click on copy or anything. But if you want, you can click on the copy button here, or even go to edit and click copy here. Next thing we want to cover is if we want to save the snippet to our computer. So let's go ahead and click on the save button, and I'm going to call this Xperts image, and I want to save this to my desktop. Now I'm going to go with the default PNG type file, but you can also choose GIF, JPEG, or MHT. And we can go ahead and click the save button. Now that saved our image to the desktop, and in here you can see the PC Xperts image. And go ahead and open it. The last option here that I'd like to point out that you can do with an image is automatically send it via email. So if we go to our drop down next to the email button, you'll see we have 2 different types. If you click on the email recipient, what it will do is copy and paste your image into a blank email. So let's go ahead and show that. Now, it took our snip, automatically copied and pasted it into our body, and gave us a default subject of Sent from Snipping Tool. So essentially all you have to do is add text if you want to your body and choose who you want to send it to. And we can get out of here. And the other option is the email recipient as attachment. What this will do is automatically put the attachment in, and as you can see it does a JPEG by default. Puts the subject line in for us, sent from Snipping Tool, and again all we have to do is type a message in our body and put who we want to send it to. The email button here will only work if you have a local email client set up. This includes Outlook and Thunderbird and other local email clients. Let's go over the last types of snips that we can do. So we'll click on the New button, go to our drop down, and we'll start with the Freeform Snip. In the Freeform Snip, you can take exact types of snips. For example, if you want to take a snippet of a circle or a triangle, you can draw what you want to take a snippet of, and that's what it will take the snippet of. And then again, with any snip that you do, the first thing that comes up is this window showing you what you took a snippet of, and the options of editing it, saving, copying and pasting, or sending via email. So let's go to New, and now we'll go to the Windows Snip. With the Windows Snip, you choose the application that you want to take a snippet of. So as you can see, my mouse looks like I can click on something. And that's because in here I will choose the application that I want to have a snippet of. I want to have a snippet of the Google Chrome application that's open. So I'm just going to click anywhere within this window, and it takes a snippet of the application that's open. And we'll go to New, go to Full Screen Snip, and right when you click Full Screen Snip, it automatically takes a full screen picture. This is very similar to the print screen that you can use on your keyboard. This has been a quick video on how to use the Snipping Tool by Xperts. If you enjoyed this video or found any use out of it, please click the subscribe button below. If you have any IT question that you would like to see in a video, please email us at info@pcexperts.us. If you need any assistance on your computer, please send us an email at info@pcexperts.us, or you can call us at 954-580-4444. All contact info can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching this PC Experts video on the Snipping Tool.